Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Friday. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make rice water for massive hair growth. On my previous video I showed you guys how to use rice water to grow your hair, how to apply it, and it really helped me. It really helped me a lot. So this is all you're going to be needing: rice. I'm just going to wash the rice now. I'm going to wash it very well. So just watch and follow the process. I'm going to be washing the rice very well. You guys can check my previous video. I showed you how to use your rice water to grow your hair, and I said on my next video I'm going to show you guys how to make the rice water. So this is it. Just watch the video carefully and follow the process, guys. I'm just going to wash the rice very well. I'm going to wash it well. So guys, I'm done washing the rice. You can see how clean it is now. I'm just going to transfer it into a bowl or a container. Anything you have, just transfer it there. That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Now I'm going to add onion into the rice, then use water to cover up the rice. So this is it. I'm just going to leave it for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you strain out the water and spray it on your hair. It will grow your hair massively. Just continue this process till you get your results. This really helps a lot. Some people do add lemon, some add other things, but I use onion because onion is also good for hair growth. Onion is very good for hair growth. Onion and rice combined together, they are really good for hair growth. So this is it, guys. See you guys in my next video. Till I come your way next time, I remain your baby girl Friday Charity. Give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned. Share, guys. Don't forget to share. All right. Bye-bye.